In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Google Sites. Whether you're building a class page, a project hub, or a simple landing page, adding and styling text is one of the first things you'll do. We'll walk through opening your site, dropping in a text box, typing or pasting your content, formatting it so it looks great, and then publishing those changes so visitors can see them. Start by opening your Google site and navigating to the page where you want the text to appear. If your site has multiple pages, use the Pages tab on the right to select the correct one. Make sure you're in edit mode. You should see the Insert Pages and Themes panels on the right, along with a toolbar at the top. Next, open the Insert tab on the right and click Text Box. A new text area will appear on your page. You can drag this text box to reposition it and use the blue handles to adjust its width within the layout grid. If you're working with columns, try placing the text box in the column that best fits your design. Click inside the box to place your cursor and you're ready to add content. Type your text directly or paste content you've written elsewhere. To paste, use Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac. If the pasted text brings over unwanted styles, use the clear formatting option in the toolbar or paste without formatting using Ctrl-Shift-V or Command-Shift-V. Keep your paragraphs concise and scannable and avoid pasting any sensitive information. With your text selected, use the formatting toolbar to style it. Choose a structure that's easy to follow by applying title, heading, subheading, or normal text. Add bold or italics for emphasis and adjust text color or highlight sparingly to maintain readability. To add a link, highlight the relevant words, click the link icon, paste the URL, and apply. Descriptive link text like view the schedule is more accessible than click here. Create bullet or numbered lists for steps or key points and set alignment to left, center, or right depending on your layout. If you make a mistake, use Undo or Command-Z to quickly revert changes. When everything looks right, it's time to make it live. Click Publish in the top right corner. If this is your first time publishing, you'll confirm a web address and who can view the site. Otherwise, you'll publish the latest changes. Consider clicking Preview first to see how the text looks on desktop and mobile, then Publish. After publishing, refresh your live site to verify the update. And that's it. You opened your site, inserted a text box, added your content, formatted it cleanly, and published your updates. Follow this flow each time, and your pages will stay clear, consistent, and easy to read.